Hey everyone, Eli here with Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this super cute, super modern, super stylish table lamp. This thing is small, but it really does pack a punch. So if you want a lot of light, you want to go ahead and get this. It doesn't take up much room on the tabletop, which is nice. Uses USB-C to charge, but it is cordless, so the battery life does last a long time. I actually got this USB-C cable right here from my iPhone that I use to charge it when I'm on the couch, so I can go ahead and also use that to charge up the lamp. So spinning this around, that's where you'll go ahead and open that up and plug it in. But this thing has lots of different temperatures. So you go ahead and turn it on, and it's got the yellows, it's got the whites, and you can go ahead and hold down to adjust the brightness. So that's full on brightness right there. And it's not even dark in this room, and you can see how much it's lighting up the area. And then you can go ahead and hold that down to go ahead and lower the brightness. So you can get a nice little dim look right there. Again, there's the whites, there's the yellows, and then to go ahead and turn it off, you just go ahead and press the power button. So this is a look like next to a couch inside a living room. Here is a look in the kitchen on a stovetop. And then here's a look in a bedroom right next to a bed. So lots of different uses for this. Highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.